Hello everyone, today I will show you how to update Snapchat 2025. Here's how it's done. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device or App Store on iPhone. Tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Manage Apps and Device. Under the Updates Available section, find Snapchat and tap Update. Troubleshooting tips. If you're experiencing issues updating Snapchat, consider checking your device storage space and ensuring a stable internet connection. For apps installed outside the Play Store via APK files, updating involves deleting the existing app and installing the updated APK file. For using third-party app stores like APK Pure or Aptoid with built-in update features. Enable automatic updates optional. On iPhone, go to Settings, App Store. Toggle on App Updates to allow automatic updates. On Android, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon, Settings. Select Network Preferences. Auto Update Apps. Choose your preferred setting, example, over Wi-Fi only. And that is everything to know about how to update Snapchat 2025, iPhone and Android. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.